Yeah, baby.
What the fuck?
What up, y'all? Currently, I am headed to Stony Park. We're gonna go do some parkour with some new homies that I met at Tempest. So right now, driving down, headed that way. I went to Tempest, the Tempest Free Running Academy, the parkour gym for the first time. Like the past 2 days, literally the past 2 days. So I'm not gonna do the math, but a few days ago was the first time that I ever went to Tempest and had a fucking blast. Met some great people, had a good time, learned some new skills. I'm gonna start going to Tempest more often. And with that, I've met some new people who I can connect with and do some parkour. So I'm just absolutely stoked about that. It's gonna be amazing. It's currently the 4th of July. So we got some flags around. We got probably gonna have some fireworks tonight. It's gonna be lit, bro. We're gonna get some stuff done, but we're gonna start off the day with some 4th of July parkour.
Play if you want to, you play. I told you not to fuck with the game. Parkour easy, have fun, have fun and dreams. See what happens, fuck with a bitch. I'm just a poor boy, go easy, my friend. I'm just a poor.
Alright, so we just pulled up to Stony Park. This isn't like a street scene or like a parkour gym. We got like rails and ledges and buildings and rooftops and all that gap jazz, etc. This is just straight rocks. This is nature shit. So we're gonna be doing some nature parkour, bring it back to the roots of everything. We going monkey mode. We going nature mode. We going wild animal, let out a motherfucking inner wolf. We going full ass motherfucking Sigma ass motherfucking. Whoo! Alright. So hopefully I don't crack my head open on a rock. I have $1 in here. Oh yeah, look at this. Thank you. Oh yeah.
Oh, dude, he went that way, I think.
Sorry.
Oh yeah, this is our spot.
Hell yeah.
What does it say? Hello, what California? Yeah. Shake it.
Yo,
EDBS
yo,
under pressure.
yo.
Sure.
Oh. Got by a plant. Got it! Plant.
How about some trees. How about some trees with meeting the trees right here? To be a flower with the animal. Oh yeah!
Three, two, one.
Oh! Hell yeah!
What the fuck? Maybe there's a easy.
3, 2, 1. Oh!
Bro, what the fuck? Bro, what the fuck? It's so recording.
Yo.
Damn. Damn.
Oh, yeah. I slipped a little, but I still had it.
Hell yeah.
Oh, there we go.
Fuck.
Whoa.
Money shaking to the bank. I'm a platinum digit number down to 3,000p. Yeah, I'm still me. Wake up, you I wake up.
Alright, hold the camera.
What's up?
Yo. It's like being born again. Woo! My gosh, hot.
Oh shit.
You made that? What?
I was locked in.
He did. He was locked in.
Okay. Forgot what's happening.
That is pretty.
It is.
Dude, take that.
Way higher. You know what's fucking funny? I threw my bag up there, right? And the goal was to climb through here and get it, and we just couldn't climb up there. And I had to just cheat and go around and climb up the other side. We're like, yeah, this is the challenge. Throw our bag there. Our goal was to go through here, and then just got stuck there.
That's wild. Woo! Fuck! Yeah! Wow, there we go.
Told you, bro.
Oh, he's stuck now. Yeah, man.
What the fuck?
Alright. Woo. We just got done with our Stony Mountain Creek, whatever, parkour. My legs are dead. I did a lot of big fronts. Didn't even use the red boots. Got some big fronts. And my iPad screen is cracked. So I gotta get that fixed. But good sesh. Now we're headed to
Just standing here because we're fucked on banks. Maybe you need to do it.
Ants. We're headed to CSUN. See you there. All right, that was a successful session with the boys at Stony Rocky Mountain, whatever the hell it is called. But now we're headed over to Northridge, to the school, the university, to hit up some stuff in some urban areas. But yeah, I'm excited for that. I threw some big fronts. I'm real happy about that. Some big fronts, y'all gonna see. And yeah, just a good vibe. Good guys, good team. We doing it. It's just good vibes, man. I'm loving it. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba.
You finished? That's it, man. Game over, man. It's game over.